Good morning, class. So today we're going to be continuing with Module 4, which is wind. So some quick reminders. In your Canvas, I am tracking how long you spend online. So you should have been completed with modules 1 through 4 by the end of today. So by the end of today, you should be done with modules 1 through 4. So what that means is if we have had 4 modules occur in this classroom, you should have spent anywhere between 3 and 4 hours on the science content. So as I'm looking at each individual student, and right now I kind of have the names off to the side, I'm looking at some of us have spent 7 minutes and 40 seconds versus other of us have spent that 3 hours. I mean, I scroll down further and I can see, the student here logged in at this time. They've completed 3 hours and 41 seconds versus others of you haven't completed as much. So again, the same way that we're in the classroom, as the class progresses, especially as we get more comfortable with being online, your parents will receive reports from me based off of these numbers. So I get the temptation to go, Mom, I was on it. We're past that point of like, hey, if you see it on the screen, then I did it. I am tracking exactly what you've done, how long you've been on the website, and I really just feel like if you spend a little bit more time, you're going to get a better experience in the science classroom. Again, we're moving towards fourth quarter, and already I've seen several of us who've been struggling in science during science class excel using this platform just by taking the steps needed. Again, other behaviors that I don't want to see is when we go to our home page, I am still getting people that are randomly attacking these units. As you are going through, when I say 1 module a day, I mean 1 module per day. So if we're doing atmosphere, this is the only thing that you should be doing. If you do more or you start skipping, you're going to overwhelm yourself. I had it locked the other day, but what's happening is I don't want to have to lock things because then that the students that do want to work ahead are having to email me, hey, what's this code? And da, 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 da. I want to trust that you're doing these in order systematically so we can truly tackle these units so that we can make sure we have those fundamentals of everything we need to know for science. Again, this is nothing new. Every module is something that we've already covered. And after we're done with our modules, we're going to start moving into kind of like introducing ourselves into the eighth grade context or the eighth grade content using our seventh grade content. So moving to eighth grade content using a seventh grade context. So I hope you all have a great day. Again, your goal is just simply to complete today module 4, the wind. So you have your instruction piece, which is your CK12, and you have your wind quiz. Tomorrow we'll get started on the atmosphere. You guys have a wonderful, 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 wonderful Thursday.